Hey there, Darren Sutton from Arctic Snowplows here. I'd like to show you how easy it is to take off and on the Quick Link 4 system of the VAW Arctic Snowplow. Removable jack. Goes inside a 2-inch receiver. There's a safety pin that you undo. Once the jack hits the ground, your plow's in float. So you're going to keep cranking this handle until this spring-loaded handle comes out freely. Take your safety pin so that it doesn't slam back on your fingers. Undo your control plugs. Undo your power and ground. I'll back away. Then we'll hook it back up. Safety pin goes back in. Biggest thing is, don't forget to take out the removable jack. You're back up and plowing. Now, some of the key features, nice to notice, everything is done from the driver's side. So there's no having to walk around to the curb side, drop any other legs or undo any other plugs. It's all done right here from the driver's side. So I'll go through the process again so you can see how easy it is. Blade down and into float. Removable jack into the receiver. Safety pin out. Crank until the jack is on the ground. When this handle comes free, safety pin back in. Lights, controls, power ground, all from the driver's side. I'll back away. So now everything, it's perfect height. Of course, I just backed up. Everything's the same height. So let's pretend that it's a little bit lower. This pin shouldn't just go back in. So it's gonna get stuck, no problem. Plug in your power and your ground, lights, controls. Put your controller into float. Then you can go around to the front. Now if you want to come in here, so I'm going to push the lift frame. When I push the lift frame, that pin is driven home. That's why it's important to have that safety pin in there, because that spring will pinch your finger. And I understand it hurts. So you take out your removable jack. Back up and plowing. Now, I don't know how long this video is taken. I'm going to guess we're less than 5 minutes. I just took it off, put it back on twice. It's the easiest mounting system out there. Arctic Snowplows.
5:15.